Hey, it's Rob Deptford. If you're just starting to work with green screens, you may find that it is sometimes challenging to remove or key out that green background in editing or post-production and replace it with something else. A couple of reasons that could be happening. One is lighting. Normally I would have my windows blacked out and I'd have dedicated lighting just for the screen and separate lighting for myself or the subject of the video shoot. Another common reason is, well, wrinkles in the screen. Those create shadows that can be difficult to remove as you're doing your editing. And you can see I've got some clips to make this particular screen taut, but sometimes that's not enough. We've got to find another way to get those wrinkles out. So, already that's looking better. I'll do a little more and probably adjust my clips a little bit as well just to get it right. This is just a handheld steamer I got off of Amazon, and it's a great tool to have in your studio for green screens or any other fabric backdrop, just to keep things smooth, and especially for green screens to keep those wrinkles out so it's easier in editing or post-production to key out that background and replace it with whatever you like.